guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Slim Roche here, aka Jasmine, and I'm back to you with another video. So today I'll be telling you guys all about my teeth whitening journey. So if you're interested in this video, please continue watching. So I've always gotten a whole bunch of requests on how are your teeth so white, how do you keep your teeth white, and things like that. So today I'm excited to bring you guys a sponsored video from Smile Brilliant, and I'll be showing you guys and telling you about this teeth whitening at home process. So let's get straight into it. Smile Brilliant sent me this box, and I'll tell you a little bit about what is inside of it. So the box came with a whole bunch of different things. First you had the catalyst and the base for your impressions, and then you had 2 trays for your top and bottom. So it's pretty cool that they give you 3 of the base and catalyst, so in case you mess up the first time, you still have 2 more that you can use to make your impressions.
So here I'm just showing you how easy it is to make your impressions, and then they also include a postmarked envelope so you can just put the trays in and send it off, and they usually receive it within like 2 days, and then they send it right back in like another 2 days. So it literally takes less than a week to get your impressions back.
So that whole process is very short and very beneficial for those who are eager to start their teeth whitening journey. And so once I received my retainers, I thought it was very cool that the retainers were like a soft plastic. They weren't a hard plastic, so if you're scared about them like shifting your teeth or anything like that, it won't do that because it is a soft plastic and it just sits right on your teeth. So in the kit you also get 3 pairs of the whitening gel and the desensitizing gel. So this is very convenient on days when I'm editing videos, or if I'm just like watching Netflix or anything like that and I just have some chill time. It's also useful for people who have a busy life like me. Sometimes I'll even do the whitening process while I'm in the shower, because I usually shower right before bed, and it's very beneficial because it's not like I have to block out a certain time to do this. I can do multiple other things while whitening my teeth. The hardest part for me was remembering to do it every day, but I would always do it right before bed, and so that's kind of how it kept me on track. So after the first day, the results were like surprising. Literally as soon as I took the trays out of my mouth, I could instantly see my teeth whitening. And I thought my teeth were already white. Like, no, this was another level of white. So I was really proud and excited to see that so quickly. And I'll insert a few different pictures of my teeth as they progress day by day. Some of them were more subtle than like the before and after, but I can definitely tell that my teeth were getting a lot whiter and stuff like that. Now, if you experience any like splotchiness, or so when I first did it, my teeth were getting really white towards like the ends of my tooth, but not towards the root of my tooth. So you want to make sure you evenly distribute the whitening gel when you put the trays in. But other than that, Smile Brilliant is brilliant. Like, so on their little card, Smile Brilliant says, Smile Brilliant, make a lasting impression. And this literally has left a lasting impression on me because my teeth are so much whiter. Like, I didn't think they could get any more white, but they are so much brighter, and I really love it. I'm super excited. I sent this to my mom so she can find out about Smile Brilliant and she can get her teeth even more white than they are now. So I hope you guys enjoyed like this little demo slash review slash letting you guys know how my teeth are so white. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in trying out Smile Brilliant, make sure you click the link in the description box below so you can order your own Smile Brilliant kit. And then also I have a giveaway. So if you guys are interested in getting your teeth white like mine and you want to enter for a chance to win your own Smile Brilliant kit, make sure you follow all the instructions in the description box below. And good luck. I love you guys so much. stay brilliant, smile brilliant, and at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you tenfold. Bye guys.